Last year, the Association for Manufacturing Technology agreed to commit up to $1 million to develop and deploy a new software standard to address a significant shortcoming in machine tool communications. At a strategy meeting in June 2007, AMT members, computer scientists, and industry representatives addressed the fundamentals of what has come to be known as MT Connect.
If I had to come up with a soundbite for what MT Connect is supposed to accomplish, we're trying to put forth a lightweight, open, and extensible protocol and data representation that can interconnect machine tools.
From the beginning, much of the work on MT Connect has been happening here at UC Berkeley under the guidance of Professor David Dornfeld.
MT Connect has made a lot of progress. We have defined the specifications much more clearly. We've got the website which allows us to communicate with the outside world. We have some really good examples of application areas that we'd like to use.
A widely accepted interoperability standard has been an elusive target.
And this won't be an evolution, this will absolutely be a revolution in the machine tool industry.
MT Connect really is a methodology or platform that can work with all of the existing proprietary products that are out there.
I have very high expectations for MT Connect.
I think the uniqueness of MT Connect is it really is the keys to the kingdom.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Emerging Technology Center. This year, we're featuring an introduction to the new standard called MT Connect and how it seeks to convert mountains of data from machine tools and sensors into a common language. The main idea? To turn all this data into useful information that can be accessed and managed virtually anywhere. To see it another way, let's jump back in time for a second. To a time when ancient Greeks and Egyptians knew a lot about each other, including their writing. But somewhere along the way, civilization forgot what these symbols meant. Now, they were data all right, but no longer information. We were stumped for some 1,500 years. But in 1799, Napoleon's army stormed into Egypt and stubbed their toes on this large flat rock, the Rosetta Stone.
With the recent release of MT Connect version 1.0, AMT has established a new separate institute to oversee the further growth and deployment of the standard throughout the industry. MT Connect Institute is a consortium of forward-thinking leaders in the manufacturing industry, pooling their vision and resources to promote its adoption as an open standard and to encourage further product development in compliance with the standard. MT Connect was the featured attraction at IMTS 2008 and in November at Jimtov in Japan. Look for us at Emo Milano in October 2009, where we'll honor our student competition winners. Join us as a member, participant, or contributor at mtconnect.org.
How great can you be? How do you measure it? Is it just numbers? What's the heart of it? What are the boundaries? Greatness has a start. Maybe it has no end. Some of it's business. Some of it's personal. How you do things, who you are, where you want to go. In 1986, greatness has a start.
Not long ago, the internet was just a gleam in investors' eyes, and speech as a means to distribute information over the most pervasive technology on Earth. The telephone was just a germ of an idea, but visionaries believed. In 2001, the bubble bursts. Global enterprises slash operating costs to stay competitive, turning to advanced speech recognition for breakthrough operating efficiencies and improved customer service.
You know the drill? The wheel. Iron Age stuff. Gears and levers, movable type, up to steam power, electricity, internal combustion, and it all happens in fits and starts and spurts and little revolutions, or big ones that are more like explosions, like electricity, assembly lines, wireless, semiconductors, transistors, eruptions of change. 50 years of smaller, faster, better, smaller, faster, better, smaller, faster, better. And right now we're on the threshold of a whole new explosion of emerging technology to take us right to the edge of smallest, fastest, best, and smartest.
And some of those processes go beyond the shop floor to take engineering to a new level.
We've got to continue to have the preeminent science apparatus, the ability to develop new understandings.
Working on the front end is the lowest cost position in which you can play. It's really about combinations and recombinations of knowledge base.
It's all for good reason. After all, it's about global marketplaces and competition.
The world is really leveling out in terms of availability of manufacturing resources and technology, so it's a very competitive environment. The opportunities to remain competitive in manufacturing today depend largely on how well you understand the process.